Do you have a messy drawer like this? I call this my YouTube. I call this my YouTube drawer. It has everything that I need that when I'm doing something for YouTube when it comes to electronic pieces. Headphones. I don't know if you remember this, the little gorilla tripod. Extension cords. Laptop. Lens. There are so many things in here. Take a look. So many cords. Everything in here is needed, including a lamp. What I do, I put a bright light. When I first started YouTube, I'd put a bulb in here, and that would be my light. This is my selfie stick. It gets longer. You can pull it out and adjust it to the length you want. I tell you, I have a little bit of everything in there. This is my old webcam. I have a new one. This is my microphone. When I'm doing videos on my phone, I usually use that. These are plugs. This plug is for light that I have over my camera. That plug goes for this light when I want to use it. It also comes with a battery. I have all kinds of cords you can think of. And mouse. I have this microphone. I have this which holds extra outlets if I need to. So I can plug in more than one thing. I have battery for my camera. I used to use this little speaker back when I didn't have the big speakers I have. I used to use this little speaker. I have this tripod. I have this mic. I tell you, I call this my YouTube drawer. I have a lot of stuff in this. This is the mic. This is the first mic. The one I just showed you, this is the first mic. I don't use it anymore. I have something else. Another tripod. So many things in here. So many things. I have some extra batteries again. This is the plug for the battery that is for the light that's on the camera, and I added that extra light. So this is what I use to charge it. I have extra batteries. I cannot find them. Where are they? This is the lens, kit lens that come. This kit lens came with the camera, I've been using this for a while. I also have this 50 mm lens from Canon that I bought years ago, and I'm using it again. These are my extra batteries for my camera. These are not, these are Amazon brands. I charge them. This is what it looks like. You put it to charge and you can use them. So I have 3 batteries in all. Original, and then I bought these. So these are the batteries. This is the original one, and these are the ones that I bought from Amazon. But this is everything I have in my drawer. I'm not going to organize it. I don't organize that drawer. I just throw everything in there, and when I'm ready for something, I go look for it. So if you have a YouTube drawer where you just throw everything you need, and I change things here and there all the time, let me know in the comments if you do have one of these. So again, this is my messy YouTube drawer, and I'm going to throw everything back in there just as is. I'm not cleaning it up. I put it back just the way it was. The only thing I do when I do that, I put the things I need the most, like my headset when I'm editing, my microphone for my phone, the extra batteries, and the lens in case I need to change. These are the things I leave close by. Everything else just goes in there. I don't touch most of this anymore since I have a camera and it's all set up and everything. But this is my YouTube junk drawer.